In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Kanban space in Jira using the All Work view. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Jira account in your browser. Once you're signed in, start by opening your Kanban project. You can usually find it from your Jira homepage under the projects list. Look for the Kanban project you want to work in, and open it so you land on the project's main screen. From here, we want to move into the All Work view for this Kanban space. At the top of the screen, you'll see various navigation options for your project. Look for the section where Jira lets you switch between things like your board, backlog, and any list or issue views. In this case, you should see a view that represents all the issues in your Kanban project, often shown as a list with filters available. Click that option so that you're taken into the All Work list for your Kanban project. Once the All Work view is open, take a moment to let everything load. You should now see a list of issues related to your Kanban project, usually with columns like key, summary, status, assignee, and other fields. Near the top of this list, you'll notice controls that let you refine or sort what you're seeing. One of the highlighted areas on the screen is what we want to interact with next. Move your mouse toward the highlighted area at the top of the issue list. This might be a filter, a sorting dropdown, or a control that changes how your issues are displayed. Click on that highlighted control. When you do this, Jira will open a small menu or panel that allows you to adjust what's being shown, such as changing the sort order, filtering by status, or selecting different views. After that first interaction, look for the next highlighted element that appears, usually close by in the same toolbar or panel. This second highlight may represent a more specific option within the menu you just opened, like a particular filter preset or a setting for how your issues are grouped. Click this second highlighted control to apply that specific configuration to your All Work view. Finally, you'll see one more highlighted option, labeled or represented by the number 1. This typically indicates the first option in a list or a primary preset configuration. Click on that one option to finalize the setup. Once you've done this, your Kanban All Work view will refresh, and you'll see your issues organized according to the choices you just made, giving you a clear and tailored overview of all work in your Kanban space.